Hi guys, in this video we're gonna unbox the new Casio G-Shock Frogman, the GWF-A1000C-1AER. In the box you will find a 5623 caliber buck, and there's also an international warranty card included. And here it is, the new Casio G-Shock Frogman of 2021. The bezel is made of stainless steel with a blue iron plated finish, and the band is made of fine resin. This makes the watch both strong and lightweight. The watch has a case with a diameter of 55mm and is 19.7mm thick. The watch has a sapphire crystal glass and is 20 bar water resistant. This year Casio released two Frogman models, the GWF-A1000C and the GWF-A1000XC. These models are the first Frogman watches with a composite band. This makes it possible to wear it over a wetsuit sleeve. This Casio model also has a Multiband 6. This means the watch is radio controlled and can be connected to 6 transmission stations worldwide. This watch has a retail price of €1,000. And if you're interested in buying one of the newest Frogman models, I've got some great news for you, because we have both in stock right now. Check out the link in the description. Thank you guys so much for unboxing this watch with us. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.